Welcome to the Week in Review. This is Federated Zach, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and we're reviewing the week of August 19th to August 23rd of 2024. So looking at the biggest event of the week, it's the US dollar weakening versus the major pairs. So shifting over to the Forex markets, we saw all the major pairs. That includes the euro, the British pound, the Japanese yen, and the Australian dollar all gaining versus the US dollar. And shifting over to the indices, we saw the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ pause after a nice bounce from that initial sell-off towards the beginning of the month. Now looking at commodities, gold after hitting all-time record highs, retracing lower just below 2,500. And as we look at oil, bouncing from that supportish level at $71 a barrel to $73 a barrel. Now looking at the stocks, really they were all mixed. Starting out with CISCO, it continued to climb for most of the week as it settled above its 200-day moving average. And JP Morgan on its resistance-ish level, climbing to that 219-ish level, but the rest of the stocks really petered out after that nice initial bounce together with the market. Now lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin remaining unchanged and trading in a really tight range for most of the week. So we've got a major economic event this week coming up. Starting out on Tuesday, August 27th, first from the United States, we have a CB consumer confidence number coming out. And then on Wednesday, August 28th, from Australia, we have a GDP, gross domestic product number coming out, and a big earning call for NVIDIA. Now looking on Thursday, August 29th, from the Eurozone, Germany will have a preliminary core price index, and from the United States, a preliminary GDP, gross domestic product, and pending home sales, which is a super important number, not to mention corporate earnings for Dell. Now, lastly, on Friday, August 30th, out of the Eurozone, we have a core price index flash estimates. And from Canada, we have a gross domestic product GDP number coming out. And from the United States, a core PCE price index, not to mention, lastly, a revised U of N consumer sentiment number coming out. So that's it for the Week in Review. We'll see you here next week, everybody. Have a good weekend.